Okay, hello guys, welcome to Hill Studios again, and welcome to the third part in this series. And I think in the first part, what we have done is we created a project and we also created an ID for a Photon project. In the second part, we integrated Photon into our project. If you haven't watched it, go to my playlist folder where you can just see TPS multiplayer and you can just watch from there. Okay. So yesterday we have stopped at this particular point, where we are joining to the main server, but we are not joining to the room server, right? Okay, make sure you have internet connection, guys, because internet connection is necessary for running Photon. So let's see, now it is running, and okay, you can just see Photon got a region list. And I think network is kind of low. Yeah, we are getting some ping and we are saying it's a development mode and we are in the main server. But what happens is that we are not joining any room. For players to join, if players join in a room, then only they can play together. If we consider PUBG, if you press start, those 100 players are joining into the room of 100 people. So that's where you're going to play Erangel, whatever. So now what we're going to do is we need to join into room. So what is the problem here is, guys, like initially we are saying, like, if we are connected to the main server, join a random room, right? Then if you are not connected to the main server, then connect to the main server using fortnetwork.connect using settings. That's what we are doing until now. Now once this gets executed and once we connected to the main server, then this function gets called public override void on connected to master. And once this on connected to master gets executed, like it will get executed when you are connected to the master. Got it? So now what we're going to say is like Photon network join random room, which we already specified here, but now what Photon will do is, okay, it will try to join a random room. But here is the catch, guys. Like if you are developing this thing for the first time, then there will be no rooms, right? Because there will be no rooms initially. Entire server will be empty. Main server will be empty because for an application there need to be some rooms. But since it is our first application from that ID, so there will be no rooms. If there are no rooms, then joining a random room will be failed. Once joining a random room is failed, then what you guys need to do is we need to create a new room. Got it? So that's where we forgot last time. That's where I got it completely wrong last time. So what you guys need to do right now is if you join a random room and if joining a random room is failed, then this callback will get executed. Public override void on join random room failed. Okay, this one will get executed. So what you guys need to do is you just need to copy this thing and come here and try to paste it. Got it? So public override on join random failed. If it is failed, then you're going to get some written code, you're going to get some message. You don't need to worry about those stuff. So let's get started. I'm going to run the debug statements. I hope you guys are getting this thing. So what we're going to do is Photon network create room. You're going to create a room and you're automatically joining into the room. Let's say you made a room size of 8 people. Okay, so now what happens is that, like, you are the first guy, so there will be no room. You will create a room. Remaining 7 guys will be connected using the joint random room. And the 9th guy cannot join into this room because the room size is 8. So this function will get executed on joint random room failed and he will create a new room. Got it? So people will keep on creating rooms if they are full and they'll automatically join into the new rooms, and you don't need to manage all of those kind of stuff. Photon does it automatically for you. So now save it and play it again, and wait. And when you're creating a room, you can also give the options as well. Like I'm going to copy this thing as well, like number of players that are available in a room. So we are saying max players per room as 4. We are saying byte. I think byte is having a lower size than int. If you can use int, you can also use int as well. But when it comes to optimization, you need to save as much memory as possible, right? So got it. So if there's any value which is between 0 and 1, minus 128 to plus 28, use this one. So go to your new room options. It's like object initialization. So you're going to pass max players equal max players per room. So you're going to say like, okay, the maximum number of players is 4. Okay, up to 4 they will automatically join, and the 5th person will create a new room, and again next 4 people will again join that room. Okay guys, now let's get started on this one. Okay, now wait, the type namespace room options could not be found. The name max place does not exist in the current context. Wait, so room options could not be found. The type or namespace room options, where is this thing? New room options. Okay, I think I have to include some kind of namespace. I think I forgot to add some kind of namespace. Let us see. New room options. Do I have tried anything more? We are using Photon dot real time, guys. So this is something which you guys need to add as well. I think this will solve some problems. Error detected here. 522. Okay. Okay, again the 41, the name max place doesn't exist in the current context. Okay, I'll just say 4 guys here directly without specifying those things. I don't want to waste any time, so remove this thing as well. It's not a good practice, but if it is working then it is go. Okay, room option does not contain a constructor that takes one argument. Constructor that takes only one argument. Okay, I'm also going to take you to the error solving process. If it is way too long, I'm going to cut it out, but if it is short, here they said photon network dot create room of having a null, and we are saying it just room options. Okay, let us insert this thing only and we will see how it works out. We'll just use this one as well. We'll just choose this one and we will see how it works. Private serial fields, we have a max place per room. And oh wait, here they said something. Oh, for new room options. Oh wait, I think okay, it is working fine. So wait, it is, I think it is a dictionary, I think so. Okay, wait, let us go here. We mention it as something like this. Keep it as a dictionary and max place equal to max place per room, and let us copy that thing again. This entire script will be in the description, I think so, because we are not going to discuss coding right now. That will be next tomorrow tutorial. Tomorrow onwards we'll start creating our character, which will be much more cool. We're going to add blend spaces, animations, and we're going to use joystick, touch input, whatever. It is going to be much more cool. So let's hit play. Okay, what is the time? 7 minutes. Okay, now we got 274 ms and we are saying PUN is in development mode. Okay, we need to join a room, so that's where, oh, don't do it actually. Okay, whatever, it is not going to listen to me anyway. So what happened again? So when we are connecting using settings, and we should execute this on join random room, and if it is failed, I'm not doing any kind of debugging statements. I think that is the reason why. So let us try to write some debug statements here so that you can know, like, yeah, we got something like that. So I'm going to write it very fast. Debug.log connected to master, and on a random room failed, I'm going to say like creating a room. There will be some spelling mistakes, don't worry about them. Creating a room, and let us execute them. And if we join a room, then we will not be dealing with this Photon stuff for another 5 to 6 tutorials. We're going to create our character from the scratch up kind of stuff. Okay, let us clear all of that. And we got our region list. We got 336, and we connected to a master, and we created a room. And we also will be joining a room, but some people will be like, no, how do I know if I'm joining a room? So there will be another callback, guys, which is like on join room. So let's go to that callback as well. I think, wait, okay, here it is, public override void on join room. If you're saying on join room, then you can do something like debug.log I am in a room. Okay, got it. Okay, let us compile it again, and we can run it, and we will be in a room. So one part of this video will be completed. Okay, let's see. We got our main node agents, and we got a ping of 311 ms, and we connected to master. We creating a room, and we join a room. So that's it. Creating a room and completed is completed. Okay, so one objective is completed. What's the next objective? Next objective is, so we will start right now. We will start working on our character right now. And so what I'll do is I'll try to make a simple scene, make sure our player can run around. We'll have some kind of stairs kind of stuff. It's not going to be very high kind of stuff. And after creating this entire thing, we're going to import our character. So let's get right to it. I'm going to go here and I'm going to create a new scene. I don't want to connect every time. I don't want to connect to Photon every time. So test scene, I'm going to have a test scene here, and I will go here to this test scene. So a player can walk just like a stair kind of stuff. I don't even know why I'm making this one, but okay, fine. Okay, now we have a basic testing kind of stuff, a simple sphere and a cube. Got it. So we just made a simple testing purposes, and let's go to our character. So if you are really good at 3D modeling, you can model your 3D characters from scratch and using Blender, whatever, and you can also create animations as well. But what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go to mixamo.com, and it's still loading. Okay, so I already downloaded some of the animations, and model for my previous game, which I made in a week, a multiplayer shooter game. I really thought to making of a devlog, but I think I am going to release that devlog. It is going to be somewhat soon. So go to this PC, go to downloads, and go to, I'm going to tell you guys, go to I downloaded, but you're going to download from Mixamo right now. So I'm going to import them. That's it. Create a new folder. I will always create a folder for the sake of organization. So meshes, I'm going to go to meshes thing, and once you download it, you're going to have something like swat.fbx, and just import this one here, and that particular model will get imported here. And after importing the thing, and you need to download some animations as well for the 3D model. Okay, so let us keep it like that. Yeah, so now what you guys need to do is like you have these things as well, right? So dying, firing, sprint backwards, these are all animations, right? These are all our animations. So I'm going to show you how to download all of this. Go to each and everything, unarmed, equip over shoulder, whatever. Okay, I'm going to import all of these. Wait. Okay, wait. Go to your SWAT and import him into our scene. Just drag and drop him. I don't know. I think it's going to take some time. Just for the sake of importing. Okay. So he is there. Oh my god, it's too big. Too big. Yeah. Go to your go to this 3D model and go to materials here. Go to materials and try to extract materials from there. Extract texture and it will ask you what folder are you thinking of. Just mention this folder only. And wait, what is this one? I'm going to close Visual Studio Code as well because we don't need it anymore. I'm going to close this one. Okay, and I'm going to close this tab as well because we don't need Photon at all. This Mixamo is still loading. Mixamo.com. Okay, just fix now. Just click on fix now and it's going to fix itself. Okay, now you can see. Now you can see like you got your meshes, all of those. You just need to extract this thing. Okay, fine enough. So now one thing that you can do is like you got all of your materials, you got all of your textures, right? Cool enough. So now go to assets. Now up to now we imported a 3D model, guys. So we create a folder and we will say animations. And go to here and let us create an animation. If you have an AI enemy, then he's going to have some different animations if he is not the same character, right? So go to player and go to this folder, and these are all the dying to walking, right? You have all of these animations and just import all of them here and it's going to get completed, and it's going to importing all of these animations. Up now we imported animations and 3D model as well. Wait, we got Vanguard. Why we got him, man? I don't know why we got him, but let us delete that guy, and let us see SWAT, dying, firing, sprinting. Okay, so quickly I'm going to check whether it is working or not. In UE4 you're going to have an when you click on the animation, it will try to check like whether it's working or not, but in Unity it's going to be somewhat difficult, pain in the difficult process. Go to the assets and create a new folder. This is a testing, guys, checking whether our animations are working correctly with the model or not. So animation controller. So animation controller is one where you're going to play animations, and you're going to create a new animation controller, create and animator controller, yeah, player. Okay, good enough. So we'll open that animation controller here, and there will be no animations initially, right? Okay, so what you're going to do is we'll go to our animations, we'll go to player thing and sprinting thing. Yeah, you're going to drag and drop that one here. Got it? So now what happens is that like directly you're going to go to inspector to see this particular animation. So go to this particular animation and you're going to get something here. You can go, okay, click on this animation, you will go to this inspector tab, right? Go to animation, you will select no model is available preview. Okay, so go to your meshes and drag and drop this SWAT model here. Now you can check whether this thing is working or not. Right here you can see like he is sprinting, right? So we can just say like, okay, these animations are working. So now what happens is that whenever a game starts, it's directly going to play sprint backward. Okay, so we just need to attach that animation controller to our model. So go to SWAT and you will have nothing. So go to add component and you're going to add like animation and not animation, sorry, animator. Remove component and you're going to add animator, and it will ask like what is the animation controller that you have. This is our animation controller. Got it? I think these are enough right now currently. So go to your and go to your player, keep him in a good position, and click on your camera and control 0, control alt 0, control shift 0. How to align our camera to our view? I forgot really. Camera and 0, no, control shift, control 0, alt 0, shift 0, control shift 0. I don't know really, I forgot. So rotate your camera to your player. Got it? Yeah, now hit play. This is our game, you guys. So now we can see like our model is playing this animation. Okay, wait, it just played once and it is stopped right now because I think it is not in looping. So what you guys need to do is go to this particular go to inspector here, and you will have a loop time. Enable it, apply it. It's going to loop again and again and again. You don't play. So yeah, you can just see he's playing. So all the best case if you complete until now, it took me like 1 week to get this stuff, so you guys got it in one episode. So we implemented the model and we implemented the animation. I will show you how to download this stuff. Oh my god, Mixamo is one thing which is getting me all the time. So Mixamo, I'm going to go here, Mixamo. What is the time? Time is 23 minutes. Okay, go to mixamo.com again, guys. It's too hot. I just turned off my fan just for the sake of recording. I'm going to stop it until it loads. Okay guys, somehow it is not loading, but I think you guys previously used Mixamo. So Mixamo is something like a website where to download. I'll try to explain you over some images. We'll open that website and create an account, and you'll get images like this. We'll open that images something like that, and wait. So you just need to go to search bar, and I think there are so many tutorials out there. Just search for SWAT SWAT, and you're going to get the character, and search for animations like walking, jumping, running, whatever, and you download all of these animations. Yeah, that's it. You can download whatever animations you have, and you can download most of the animations from Mixamo. I download all of the animations from Mixamo, and you will get to know all of the animations once you get into this. And from tomorrow onwards, we will be working with characters, creating a character, moving the character, moving with touch inputs, and moving with joystick, and importing a gun, attaching a gun, and bullets. Inventory, I don't think we can go to inventory. And we will try to make a basic third-person shooter using animation, all those kind of stuff. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll meet you tomorrow. Okay, if you guys are new, just subscribe, like. Thank you.